Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting accounts and network ready. Make sure your Samsung model actually supports Chromecast or Google TV casting. That's the only way. Install and sign into the Google TV app on your phone and verify the app is current. Once done, connect both the TV and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network, matching SSID, and band avoids discovery problems. Now, wake the TV and open the TV's network settings so you can confirm IP addresses if the device doesn't appear. You now perform the connection step inside the app. Open Google TV and tap the cast icon. You may need to grant location or network permissions so the phone can discover devices. Choose your Samsung TV from the list. The TV may display a PIN. Enter that on your phone to pair securely. If the TV isn't listed, restart the app, toggle Wi-Fi on your phone, and make sure the TV isn't on a different input or guest network. This discovery method uses MDNS/UPnP, so network isolation blocks it. Finish by starting any video in the Google TV app and sending it to the TV. You control playback and volume from your phone. Make sure the TV's prompts accept connections and enable any screen mirroring options in Samsung settings so subsequent connections are seamless. If casting still fails, reboot the router and both devices. Check the router for AP isolation that blocks device-to-device traffic. And as a final solution, use an external Chromecast HDMI dongle because it bypasses Samsung's limited native.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.